Cybersecurity student organizations and competitions. Cybersecurity specialists must have the same skills as hackers, especially black hat hackers, in order to protect against attacks. How can an individual build and practice the skills necessary to become a cybersecurity specialist? Student skills competitions are a great way to build cybersecurity knowledge, skills and abilities. There are many national cybersecurity skills competitions available to cybersecurity students. The name and description about student cybersecurity competitions, organizations, and clubs. Cyberpatriot. Cyberpatriot is the national youth cyber education program created by the Air Force Association to inspire K-12 students toward careers in cybersecurity or other science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, STEM, disciplines critical to our nation's future. At the core of the program is the National Youth Cyber Defense Competition, the nation's largest cyber defense competition that puts high school and middle school students in charge of securing virtual networks. Other programs include AFA CyberCamps, an elementary school cyber education initiative, a children's literature series, CyberGenerations, a seni or citizen cyber safety initiative, and a Tech Caregivers program designed to encourage cyber-savvy volunteers to give back to their communities. SkillsUSA. SkillsUSA is a United States career and technical student organization serving more than 395,000 high school, college and middle school students and professional members enrolled in training programs in trade, technical and skilled service occupations, including health occupations. USCC, U.S. Cyber Challenge, USCC, is a program previously supported by the Department of Homeland Security's Science and Technology Directorate through a contract with the Center for Internet Security, a 501c3 organization. USCC serves as the premier program to identify, attract, train, recruit, and place the next generation of cybersecurity professionals into the workforce. NCL, the National Cyber League, NCL, is the most inclusive, performance-based, learning-centered collegiate cybersecurity competition today. The NCL, powered by Cyber Skyline, enables students to prepare and test themselves against practical cybersecurity challenges that they will likely face in the workforce, such as identifying hackers from forensic data, pen testing and auditing vulnerable websites, recovering from ransomware attacks, and much more. Click link in the description to learn more about student cybersecurity competitions, organizations, and clubs.